बिमारी आयो भन्थेन अनि होइन अनि आन्टीलाई देखाएको अनि आन्टीलाई र बुनलाई पनि घरले छिटेको.
Nepal, a land of majestic views and towering peaks, home to 8 of the 10 highest mountains in the world. With a population of 28 million, it is sadly among the world's poorest countries. On April 25, 2015, a devastating 7.8 magnitude earthquake buried thousands and injured many more. 9-year-old Sonia was in the kitchen washing her hands when the earthquake struck. The house collapsed on her and she was given up for dead. After several hours, her family heard her voice faintly from the rubble.
डर लाग्यो.
छोरी कहाँ हो तल जिबिन मुनि हैन एकैचोटी माथि छोरी भन्दाखेरि छोरीले एकैचोटी अंकल भनेर आवाज दियो हैन आवाज दिएर हाम्रो बिच.
Hours later, the ground still shaking from aftershocks, they removed her frail and broken body from the rubble and carried her for an hour to the nearest clinic, just to discover the clinic was destroyed as well. Clinic workers urged them to rush Sonia to the nearest hospital, nearly 2 hours away. Sonia was suffering from major injuries they feared would lead to amputation, if she even survived. It took several surgeries and many weeks in Shir Memorial Hospital, but eventually, Sonia made a full recovery.
खेल्न कुद्न सक्छ.
Sonia's home was destroyed, and her family lost what little they had in possessions, but they still have each other. Her mother now works at the hospital cafeteria, and Sonia is currently going back to school on campus of Shir Memorial Hospital, thanks to a GHI sponsor. Healing begins by knowing that there's someone there for you. Your gift today can save lives, helping make these emergency surgeries possible, ensuring that people like Sonia return to their families. Thanks to you, GHI is making a difference, one life at a time.